Meaning of indolent.
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 Indolent. The word indolent means lazy or disinclined to exertion. An indolent person is someone who avoids work or physical activity and prefers to spend time doing nothing. This can be a negative trait, as it can lead to procrastination and lack of productivity. An indolent lifestyle can also impact one's health, leading to weight gain and increased risk of diseases. Moreover, an indolent attitude can create negative perceptions in the workplace, which could affect one's professional advancement. Therefore, it is essential to stay active and motivated in life to avoid being labeled as indolent.